The workforce challenges facing today's manufacturing landscape are many: a widening skills gap, complex processes, and a pressing need for efficiency. PTC offers a suite of solutions designed to transform these challenges into opportunities. Our digital work instructions streamline assembly and maintenance, while augmented reality adds a new dimension to knowledge transfer and training. With our Internet of Things and augmented reality solutions, PTC connects and empowers your workforce, enhancing productivity and quality on the shop floor. Our technologies don't just solve problems, they revolutionize how work gets done. For a future where every worker is connected, informed, and equipped to excel, discover PTC's vision for the connected worker via workforce productivity at ptc.com/connectedworker. Together, we can turn today's challenges into tomorrow's achievements.